We are going to create a class that returns a password this time. It would be better to refer to the example when you try to write the password program. I will explain the example classes first, and then give it a try to do a practice. We create a class that returns a randomized string. A user can choose lowercase only or lowercase and uppercase. It is 8 characters long. The class structure is like this. We call the randomized string creator and the display main class. If a user inputs y character, the program returns a string that is randomized with uppercase and lowercase. If a user inputs the n character, the program returns a string that is randomized with lowercase only. If a user inputs the other characters, the program displays an error message and returns a string that is randomized with lowercase only. I'm going to talk about this randomized string creator class first. The class is to create a randomized string. Please take a look at the class variable and the constructor. The class count variable is 0. The variable means that the character count of the randomized string. We write the class constructor to initialize the class variable, so the class count variable is initialized by 8. The next public methods are to return the randomized string. We invoke the public getRandomUpperLowerString or getRandomLowerString method to get a randomized string. Also, there are 3 private methods: the generate password, getRandomPasswordMap, getRandomUpperLowerPasswordMap methods. The getRandomPasswordMap method means to create a randomized string to use the string array and the hash map. The string array is included. They're all lowercase characters one by one. The method can be used to put the string array characters into the hash map. Similarly, the getRandomUpperLowerPasswordMap method means to create a randomized string. The string array is included. They're all uppercase and lowercase characters one by one. Also, the method can be used to put the string array characters into the hash map. The generate password method argument is the hash map. The method just can be used to check if the map is null or not. If the map is null, the method creates a new hash map that puts the data, but if not, the getRandomizedString method starts the process to create a randomized string using the hash map. In the return randomized string method, we utilize the random class. The temp variable means to receive a character one by one inside the for statement. The next temp variable is to get a randomized number less than the map size. The for statement process is repeated 8 times. The number 8 is the value of the class count variable. If we put all lowercase characters into the map, its size is 26. The first process in the for statement is to assign the randomized number by using the random class. The number is a decimal number more than 0 and less than the map size. The second process adds the characters that gets from the hash map to the temp variable. After finishing the process, the temp variable is returned. Secondly, I'm going to explain the text random string main class. The class is to display the randomized string. We ask the user whether you need an uppercase or not in the first line in the main method. The second one is to get a character that the user inputs. We display a randomized string in the third one. The getCharacter method is used in the second line of the main method. In the try-catch block, the input is scanned and assigned to the temp variable, and then we check the variable is y or n over others. If you don't know the scanner class, you might want to check the other video. The URL of the video is in the description below. The getRandomizedString method returns a randomized string using the getRandom lower string over the getRandom uppercase lower string method of the randomized string create a class. If a user inputs Y, a user can get a string that is randomized with uppercase and lowercase. But if not, a user can get a string that is randomized with lowercase only. Let's write a program to get a password. In detail, the specification is written in the description below. Read the sentences and code the program. Again, it would be better to refer the example before you try to write the password program. Think of the answer by yourself to write the program. Have fun. Bye for now.